Good afternoon. My name is Mike Van Bavel. I'm president of Dynamax, and I would like to introduce to you the Dynamax system. These are plant biosensors. They're plant sensors for smart health to monitor the sap flow and the water rate. So I want to introduce you to sap flow sensors that wrap around the stem of the trunk of the tree and allow you to measure the water flow through the plant. We also have dendrometers. These are diameter measurement systems that they record the growth of the fruit or the shrinkage and growth of the plant itself. And you can monitor whether the plant is healthy depending on that growth rate. We also monitor with the IRT. This is an IRT temperature sensor. It has an eye that will look down on the canopy and determine if it's going over a target temperature, which may then trigger the misting or application of fog. So that's very important to plants that are very sensitive to high temperature, such as apples. Then we have a system that integrates all the biosensor activity into one data logger that transmits all this information to the cloud, and this is the SAP IP. It's a wireless cellular-based data logger that transmits all that information to agrisensors.net, and then there the grower can see all the information. It's updated every 15 minutes, and then they can see weeks or months of data to show the trends and make application changes. All right, we also integrate soil moisture sensors, and these are very high quality sensors that allow you to monitor with very accurate calibration. And they also come with a 5-year warranty. So that's the SAP soil moisture sensors. All right, well, thank you very much and appreciate your time. We have infrared temperature sensors up here to monitor the temperature of the canopy and to turn on misting to keep the canopy temperature down so the plants can be healthy. All right, so next we have a weather station. The weather station up there. We have infrared temperature, but we also have the weather station, wind speed, direction, the humidity, barometric pressure, and also we have the solar radiation, so we can do a complete evapotranspiration system. So all that data is recorded in this data logger, and it transmits the information to the agrisensors.net website. We're also monitoring the flow rates, and we're also monitoring the rain gauge from rain or from the misting itself. Okay, so in this installation we have just put in sap flow monitoring. So sap flow monitoring, the sap flow sensor here has a wraparound heater, and it uses temperature sensors, and then when it's installed we cover it with insulators and the reflective shielding to keep the heat out from the solar radiation. So it maintains an energy balance, and the heat is used to track the flow of water through the stem. We have 2 soil moisture sensors. The soil moisture sensors are buried here underneath the dripper, and those record from 6 inches to 2 feet down into the soil. And then right over here we monitor the stem growth. The stem growth shows if the stem grows and shrinks with water application and transpiration. We'll monitor the size on a diurnal pattern and determine if the plant is under stress or not. So we're measuring 2 fruits. We're monitoring a large fruit here with a Dex 100. So as this fruit grows, it pushes the anvil, and we measure the voltage here, get the actual measurement of the fruit. We're also monitoring a smaller fruit here, and we will see which one grows better. The smaller fruit, the larger one, and it will predict when is it time to harvest. So that's the sap flow, dendrometer, soil moisture system combined with the weather gives all the data that you'll need to be able to analyze the performance and growth of your fruits.